So guys, like I said, I did Ovasabi housewife. I've ripped the nylon that was there and I've already washed the pot. But hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kamsi and you're watching Boss Babe Kamsi. Yes, I'm super excited today, like extremely happy, and I'm all over the moon because today is a very good day for me and my family, and I'm going to share the news with you in a bit, okay? But before we get into that, I'm a Nigerian and I'm based in the UK. I make video around my life, around cooking and about places like vlogs. Yes, so check my videos please to see the stuff I've got down there in my video. So yes, today I was actually sleeping when my husband woke me up and said, babe, it's time for you to go make breakfast for Ikena. I woke up, came downstairs, made breakfast, got back up trying to get ready, and he said, you know what, relax, I'm going to take him to school. That's not the reason why I'm happy this morning. The reason why I'm extra happy this morning is because my second son turned 3 today, the 17th of May, which is an exciting thing for me because it's not been easy. It's not been like a smooth one, but God made it so smooth and so good for me, which I'm happy. My family is happy, himself, my son is so happy. He's been singing happy birthday to himself all morning. The elder brother told him happy birthday, and since morning he's just been, it's my birthday, it's my birthday. So yes, I'm so happy, and please wish him a happy birthday down below. Say a word of prayer for him and I'll be so glad and appreciative. God bless you while you do so. Thank you. So guys, in my last video I couldn't show you guys what I got from the bargain, not because I didn't want to show you, but before we could drive out from the park, someone bumped into Titi's car, and it really took us like long to get out of that position, going to the mechanic and all that. So yes, I couldn't continue the vlog. So I'm going to show you guys what I got from ASDA. This cookware is beautiful, like it's lovely, trust me, I'm telling you. I'm going to show you, and I got to, actually I couldn't find the sets because you know when it's a bargain, people rush things, and I did not get there on time. I didn't know about it on time, thanks to homemade recipes and lifestyle, that's Lola Emmanuel TV. Thanks to her, she told me about it. So yes, I was fortunate enough to get this one I got. So I'm going to show you. Let me cut the long story short. I don't know who sent me. I was doing Ovasabi housewife, if you know what I mean. I went to rip off the paper that the cookware was wrapped in. So please pardon me for not unboxing with you. Please pardon me, but I'm still going to show you how it was wrapped anyway. So let me show you guys, okay? So guys, like I said, I did Ovasabi housewife. I've ripped the nylon that was there and I've already washed the pot, but I just had to put this back so you see how this came. So this one is actually a 24 centimeter stock pot and it's non-stick. So yes, the pot is so beautiful. The best thing I like about this pot is the handle. If you look at the details, see, very lovely. And then it's got this beautiful mouth here for you to sieve out water and all. It's also got oh, I'm just seeing this now, it's fine. And then it's also got this transparent cover. And then you see this is actually plastic, like it's silicone. Yes guys, it is silicone, and here it's just like this, man. You see how beautiful the pot is. You see it? So it's very beautiful. So this is a win for me. And then this one, tell me about it. You see, so let me take this off. I've already taken this off and I've washed this pot like I said. I just had to put it back so you see how it is, how it came. This one is actually a 28 28 centimeter Sautè pan. Okay, so it's very lovely. Oh my goodness, see. Then you got the cover. Oh yeah, so guys, see how beautiful the pot is. You see how nice, lovely the pan is. So lovely, so smooth. That's what I got from the bargain, and I love it. Guys, you need to watch my first cooking video with this beautiful cookware. Yeah, you need to watch it, please. Guys, I hope you saw the pots, that's the cookwares. I hope you like it or love it the way I do, because I am praying to use this for the longest of time, trust me. The pot is not going anywhere soon. So guys, before I end the video, right, I would like to say this. For those who love and care about me, that called and asked Boss B, why were you tying scarf? And I'm like, please, and for you that will still watch and ask why was she tying scarf, I wasn't feeling well for 2 days prior to that day. I was having severe chest pain 2 days before that day, so I've been in pains. There's no how I could have just make my hair, do all those beauty routine and everything. No, I just had to put the scarf so that this my natural virgin hair should not stay out and begin to look at people in the shop like, you know, like, you understand what I mean. So that's why I had to just put the scarf round. And then for those who ask why I was not carrying a trolley, I couldn't have done that. I was pushing a pram, please. There was no how I could push pram at the same time push a trolley. When I left the house, actually, I carried just my daughter, put her in the car seat, and we went. I didn't take my pram. That pram you saw me pushing my daughter on, it wasn't mine, it's Titi's. It's actually in her car. When we stopped at the park, I carried Chioma on my hand, and she was like, no, I have my pram, you can put Chioma on the pram. So I had to put Chioma on the son's pram, which was what you saw me pushing. So there was no how I could carry basket or trolley. I just had to make use of the basket in the pram and then hold the other stuffs on my hand. So please forgive me, okay? It was for the good, nothing more. Also, I want to say very big thanks to all those who show concern regarding my not wearing masks. I actually forgot my masks. Can you imagine? I forgot my masks at home. Guys, I'm sorry. Promise I won't repeat such again. Please, I'm sorry. We've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, share, and then subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Subscribe, guys. Click that subscribe red button that is there. Subscribe. Please click on it and join the Boss B Nation. Until then, I will see you in my next video. But remember, 2 videos are going to pop up at the end of this. Please choose anyone and watch. Support your girl. Keep supporting me. I appreciate it. I see all your love. I see all your comments. Thank you so much. God bless you, and I love you. Until then, I'll see you in my next video. I remain your girl, Boss B Kamsi. The bosses. Finish it.